Welcome everyone to this breaking update on one of the most anticipated events in space exploration history. In just a matter of days, SpaceX and NASA are set to make history with a lunar landing mission that promises to push the boundaries of technology and innovation. This unprecedented collaboration merges decades of space expertise with cutting-edge advancements in rocket design and mission planning. Today, we delve into the key details of this mission, explore the technologies at play, and examine how this landmark event will shape the future of human space exploration. Stay tuned for the full story. In a stunning announcement earlier today, officials from both SpaceX and NASA confirmed that the long-awaited moon landing mission is set to launch in just a few days. This groundbreaking news has sent ripples across the global space community, igniting excitement among experts and enthusiasts alike. The mission is touted to be the first of its kind, featuring a unique blend of innovative technology and collaborative strategy. With precision planning and rigorous testing, both agencies have reassured the public of a safe and historic journey to the lunar surface. This event marks a new era in interstellar exploration for humanity. At the heart of this mission lies a suite of cutting-edge technologies designed to overcome the challenges of lunar travel. Advanced propulsion systems, state-of-the-art navigation, and innovative life support modules are among the key features powering the spacecraft. Engineers have integrated artificial intelligence and real-time monitoring to ensure every phase of the mission is executed with pinpoint accuracy. These technological advancements not only enhance safety, but also pave the way for future explorations beyond Earth. The mission's success will serve as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of space innovation. Each breakthrough brings us closer to the stars. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX represents a powerful union of tradition and modernity in space exploration. NASA's decades-long expertise combined with SpaceX's innovative approach creates a formidable team ready to tackle lunar challenges. Their joint efforts have streamlined mission logistics and optimized resource allocation, ensuring that every detail is meticulously planned. This partnership is not only a symbol of technological progress, but also a model for future cooperative missions. Together, these agencies are setting the stage for sustained lunar exploration and the eventual journey to Mars. This groundbreaking alliance paves the way for a new space era with enthusiasm. This moon landing is more than a singular event. It is a stepping stone for the future of space travel. Experts predict that the mission will unlock new opportunities for research, resource extraction, and even commercial ventures on the lunar surface. The successful execution of this landing could set a precedent for more ambitious missions, including manned expeditions to Mars. Its outcomes are expected to influence policy decisions and inspire a generation of scientists, engineers, and innovators. The mission's legacy will likely reshape our understanding of what is possible in the cosmos. It ignites dreams for humanity's next frontier boldly. The announcement has triggered an outpouring of excitement and anticipation worldwide. Social media platforms are abuzz with discussions, while experts dissect every technical detail and strategic implication. People from diverse backgrounds are united in their wonder at humanity's renewed commitment to space exploration. Governments and private sectors alike are closely monitoring developments, eager to see how this mission will influence future collaborations and technological investments. The energy surrounding this event is contagious, fueling dreams of interplanetary travel and a more connected universe. The countdown has begun, and history is ready to be written. A new chapter in space unfolds today. This moon landing mission is a crucial part of NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon and establish a long-term presence there. Artemis is not just about reaching the moon, it's about building sustainable infrastructure for future space missions. With the help of SpaceX's Starship lunar lander, NASA plans to lay the groundwork for eventual Mars exploration. The Artemis program focuses on developing new technologies, from lunar habitats to autonomous mining systems, ensuring that future astronauts can live and work on the moon for extended periods. This mission is the next big step toward that future. Many people compare this upcoming lunar landing to the historic Apollo missions of the 1960S and 70S. However, this mission is vastly different in scope, technology, and ambition. Unlike Apollo, which focused on short-term exploration, this mission is designed with sustainability in mind. The use of reusable rockets, advanced AI navigation, and international partnerships make this effort a true leap forward. Additionally, this mission includes more diverse crew members and aims to create a long-term lunar presence rather than a one-time visit. This is the next stage of human exploration, built for the modern era. Space exploration is no longer solely the domain of government agencies. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others are playing a crucial role in funding, designing, and executing missions. SpaceX's involvement in this lunar landing showcases how commercial spaceflight is shaping the future. Private companies bring innovation, speed, and cost efficiency to space missions, making deep space travel more achievable. With the rise of the commercial space industry, we are seeing an era where space travel is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality for more people. Landing on the moon is no easy feat, even with today's advanced technology. The moon's surface is covered in fine, sharp dust that can interfere with landers. Its gravity is much weaker than Earth's, requiring precise thruster control for a safe landing. There's also the challenge of communication delays. Missions must rely on automation and pre-programmed maneuvers. Engineers have spent years designing spacecraft that can withstand these challenges, ensuring a smooth and safe descent. This upcoming landing will be a test of the latest lunar landing technology. This mission isn't just about making history, it has significant scientific objectives. Researchers plan to study lunar soil to understand how to extract resources like water ice, which could be converted into fuel. Scientists also aim to analyze the moon's geology to learn more about the early solar system. Another key goal is testing new life support technologies that could be used for future Mars missions. Every piece of data collected will be essential in planning for long-term space exploration. SpaceX's Starship is the centerpiece of this mission. Unlike previous lunar landers, Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed for deep space travel. The lunar variant of Starship has been modified to safely land on the moon's surface and support astronauts for an extended period. Its massive cargo capacity allows it to carry supplies and scientific instruments that will aid in lunar research. This mission will demonstrate Starship's capability for future Moon and Mars missions, proving it to be the most advanced spacecraft of its kind. AI and automation are playing a crucial role in this mission, from navigation to onboard diagnostics. The spacecraft is equipped with AI-driven systems that can analyze flight data in real time, allowing for quick adjustments. Autonomous landing systems use AI to detect obstacles and select the safest landing spots. This reduces human error and ensures a higher success rate. In the future, AI will continue to play a vital role in space exploration, making missions safer and more efficient. Astronauts undergo rigorous training to prepare for the moon's harsh environment. They practice spacewalks in underwater facilities to simulate the low-gravity environment. Virtual reality simulations allow them to rehearse landing sequences and emergency scenarios. They also train in remote desert locations on Earth to simulate lunar surface conditions. This intensive training ensures that astronauts can handle the physical and mental challenges of space travel. This mission is a stepping stone toward a permanent human presence on the moon. NASA and its partners envision lunar bases where astronauts can live and work for months at a time. These bases will serve as a testbed for Mars colonization, allowing scientists to refine life support systems and construction methods. If successful, the moon could become humanity's first off-Earth colony, paving the way for interplanetary civilization. Historic space missions have always inspired young scientists and engineers to pursue careers in STEM fields. This moon landing is no exception. With increased media coverage and educational programs, students worldwide are witnessing history in the making. Many will be motivated to explore careers in space exploration, robotics, and engineering. The excitement surrounding this mission will ignite a passion for discovery in future generations. This mission is not just an American effort. NASA is working with international space agencies, including ESA, JAXA, and others. Global collaboration ensures that space exploration benefits all of humanity, not just a single nation. These partnerships provide funding, expertise, and new technologies that make missions more efficient. Space exploration is becoming a worldwide endeavor, bringing nations together for a common goal. The moon's resources offer vast commercial opportunities. Companies are exploring the potential for mining rare minerals, harvesting solar energy, and even lunar tourism. This mission could be the first step toward a thriving space economy, where private companies play a key role in exploration and development. Astronauts face immense psychological challenges during space missions, including isolation, limited communication, and high-stress situations. NASA provides psychological training and support to ensure astronauts can cope with the mental strain. Future missions, especially to Mars, will require even more advanced strategies to maintain astronauts' well-being. 3D printing is revolutionizing space travel, allowing astronauts to manufacture tools and spare parts on demand. NASA and SpaceX are exploring ways to use 3D printing to build habitats on the moon using lunar soil. This technology will reduce costs and increase self-sufficiency for future space missions. Once the mission is complete, the next steps will involve analyzing the collected data, improving technologies, and planning for future landings. The success of this mission will determine the timeline for the next lunar expeditions and influence the eventual Mars missions. Humanity is on the brink of a new era in space exploration, and this mission is just the beginning. One of the most exciting aspects of this mission is the search for water ice on the moon. Scientists have long suspected that frozen water exists in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. This discovery would be groundbreaking because water can be used for drinking, oxygen production, and even fuel by splitting it into hydrogen and oxygen. If this mission confirms significant amounts of ice, it could change the way we approach long-term space exploration. Instead of carrying vast amounts of resources from Earth, future missions could use the moon's natural resources to sustain human life and further exploration. The moon serves as a perfect testing ground for Mars missions. Its low gravity, lack of atmosphere, and harsh environment provide ideal conditions to test technologies needed for deep space travel. By establishing a sustainable lunar base, NASA and SpaceX will gain valuable insights into building habitats, growing food, and surviving in hostile environments. If this moon landing is successful, it will bring us one step closer to sending humans to Mars within the next 2 decades. This mission is more than just about the moon. It's about pushing the limits of what's possible for human space travel. While this mission is exciting, space travel is always risky. Astronauts will face radiation exposure, extreme temperatures, and the constant threat of technical malfunctions. The moon's surface is covered in sharp glass-like dust that can damage equipment and spacesuits. Additionally, because there is no atmosphere, micrometeorites travel at high speeds and pose a threat to both astronauts and spacecraft. Engineers have worked tirelessly to develop systems that minimize these risks, but space remains unpredictable. Every mission requires meticulous planning, cutting-edge technology, and precise execution to ensure the safety of the crew. The moon has only about 1/60th of Earth's gravity, which significantly affects how astronauts move and operate. While low gravity makes lifting heavy objects easier, it also presents challenges. Walking on the moon feels more like hopping, and astronauts must adjust their balance to avoid falls. Long-term exposure to low gravity can lead to muscle atrophy and bone loss, which is why astronauts follow strict exercise routines. Understanding how the human body adapts to the moon's environment will help us prepare for future deep space missions, including trips to Mars and beyond. With the success of this mission, space agencies and private companies will begin working on the first permanent lunar bases. These bases will likely be built near the moon's poles, where water ice is available. Scientists are exploring the possibility of using 3D printing to construct habitats from lunar soil, reducing the need to transport materials from Earth. The first bases will be small, housing a handful of astronauts, but over time, they will expand to accommodate more people and research stations. The moon could eventually serve as a launching pad for missions deeper into space. Space exploration is expensive, and this mission is no exception. The cost of developing new spacecraft, launching rockets, and supporting astronauts in space runs into the billions of dollars. However, the investment is justified by the technological advancements and scientific discoveries it will bring. Additionally, as private companies like SpaceX continue to innovate, the cost of space travel is expected to decrease. In the future, reusable rockets and lunar mining could make space travel more affordable, opening new opportunities for research, business, and even tourism. Many people wonder why we spend so much money exploring space when there are problems on Earth. The reality is that space exploration has led to countless advancements that benefit everyday life. Technologies developed for space missions have improved medical imaging, water purification, communication systems, and even the materials used in sports equipment. The challenges of space travel push engineers and scientists to create new solutions that often have applications here on Earth. This mission, like those before it, will likely lead to innovations that improve our daily lives. With companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin advancing commercial spaceflight, lunar tourism could soon become a reality. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk have expressed their vision of making space travel accessible to more people. While today's lunar missions are focused on science and exploration, the infrastructure being developed could eventually allow civilians to visit the moon. Imagine hotels on the moon, zero-gravity sports, or even interplanetary vacations. What once seemed like science fiction is now on the horizon. Unlike the Apollo missions, which relied on television broadcasts, this lunar landing will be streamed live across multiple platforms, including YouTube, social media, and dedicated space agency channels. Advanced cameras on board the spacecraft will capture breathtaking footage in high definition, allowing viewers to experience the landing as if they were there. This level of transparency and accessibility is unprecedented in space exploration. Billions of people worldwide will be able to watch history unfold in real time. Astronauts who have traveled to space often describe the overview effect, a profound shift in perspective that comes from seeing Earth as a small, fragile planet in the vastness of space. This mission will give astronauts and the public a renewed sense of appreciation for our home planet. By witnessing Earth from the moon, we are reminded of how interconnected and delicate our world truly is. This realization often inspires people to take better care of the environment and to work toward global cooperation. One of the biggest challenges for long-term lunar missions is food production. Scientists are exploring ways to grow plants in lunar soil, using hydroponics and artificial lighting. If astronauts can successfully grow food on the moon, it will reduce reliance on supplies from Earth and make future space colonies more self-sustaining. This research could also help improve food production techniques on Earth, especially in areas with extreme climates. The moon contains valuable resources that could be used for future space missions and even energy production on Earth. One of the most promising resources is helium-3, a rare isotope that could be used in nuclear fusion to create clean, limitless energy. If mining operations on the moon become viable, it could revolutionize how we power our world. The success of this mission brings us one step closer to tapping into these resources. While the moon is unlike more important. Who owns the moon? How do we ensure peaceful cooperation between nations and private companies? This mission is part of a larger conversation about creating fair policies for space exploration, resource use, and environmental protection beyond Earth. The Starship lunar lander that spaced modern life support systems and cutting-edge navigation technology. Unlike Apollo's one-time-use landers, Starship is designed to be reusable, reducing costs and making future missions more efficient. This evolution in spacecraft design marks a new era of lunar exploration. Effective communication is critical for this mission's success. The delay in signals between Earth and the Moon is only about 1.3 seconds, allowing near real-time conversations. In NASA's Deep Space Network, DSN will be used to maintain constant contact, ensuring that mission control can relay important updates and receive astronaut reports. High-definition cameras and advanced antennas will allow for live broadcasts from the Moon, bringing stunning visuals to audiences worldwide. As technology improves, future missions may even use AI-powered assistants to enhance communication between astronauts and mission control. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.